Welcome to Cozumel, guys. Got off the ship. Gonna hang out a little bit for our excursion. As always, as we come to Cozumel, we're gonna stop off at Ranjan. Check out what's new. Well, picked up a couple of t-shirts at Ranjan and then wanted to get a Cozumel sticker from Ranjan since I wanted to stick it on the suitcase for camera gear. So glad I got that. And now I'm just gonna walk around in the port until our time to meet for our excursion. Several ships in port today. Army of the Seas. And then we got 3 over here. Looks like we got Holland America, Carnival behind it, and then beyond over there, Princess, Sky Princess. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and check in over here at number 4, where it says Lucha Libre up here. So this definitely has to be it. Literally was like a 1-minute ride to this area here. Seems fairly new. This place is cool, man. Look at this. Look at this. It really does look fairly new. We are totally sitting in the front row. It's crazy close.
I mean, even the back row isn't that
Yeah, I don't think there's a bad scene here.
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be cool. So this place is called Berecito. I believe that's what our tour operator said.
Lucha Libre!
So close. Oh my God, what's happening? Look at this kid. So now we're headed to Tacos and Margaritas, but as Claire mentioned, this place is starting to look a little bit more familiar. I feel like we've been here before, but as a different excursion.
On our first cruise.
Yeah, these containers was a part of the Jose Cuervo place, so this definitely is starting to look familiar. Start here, grab our margaritas. apparently we have 2 margaritas. Okay, we got tacos here. Yes, included as a part of our excursion. And you can get one without the food, but we chose to get ours with this. So, but yeah, got sauce and then other toppings. And here it is, tacos, margarita. Yay! Finally, I was getting hungry. Here's a picture that we took with the wrestlers, and I actually bought it. It was 40 bucks, but I thought it was pretty funny, and the frame is kind of funny too. So a little expensive, but that's okay. It was still fun. Well, we made it back to the point. So we're good. Tired.
Yeah.
Actually, I want to get Sorrentos. Tacos were good though.
The
And
tacos were good.
margaritas.
Yep.
Now headed back on the ship. Headed back on the ship. First things first. Going to Sorrentos. Wanted to get some pizza. Yes. Yeah, looks good. Thank you. Look what I found, guys. Way up here. Little ducky. Get that one. Yes. Back to the room.
Cute.
Cool here. What is that?
It's Valentine's Day.
With your luggage tags. Happy Valentine's Day. You're gonna have to get up soon. This guy to the collection here. Look at this.
We only found the smallest of ducks.
Yeah. What do we? How many do we have here? 3, 7. Man, we actually found 7 of these things, but they're like tiny.
All of them add up to one big one.
Oh boy, they don't hide the big ducks anymore. I haven't even
I've been
seen
seeing people post them on the Facebook page, but people seem to be wanting to get more creative as well. Like they use those melting beads to make a duck, or somebody was crocheting some really cute ducks. So those are highly sought after. I have seen people post about the regular sized ducks, but we're only finding the smallest of the small.
And a Temu version. Well, I mean, you made a good point the other day. It's easier to pack these smaller ducks.
Yes, because we hid ducks one time, and it took up so much luggage space.
Oh, yeah.
And I think we only brought like 10.
I mean, we could put all 7 of these in our pocket.
Yeah.
So, that's funny, though. We had a nice little rest this afternoon after we got back from Cozumel. Now we're gonna go to Central Park. Where are we having it? What is it called again? I keep forgetting where we're having it.
150 Central Park.
150 Central Park. Never been there before, so we're excited about that. Here we are, 150 Central Park. Ooh,
We have
this is
6 o'clock
fancy.
reservations.
So we just got these signature cocktails here. Not even sure what it is, but it's a martini. How'd it taste?
It's good.
Good?
It's like a lemon lime type flavor. It's good.
Yeah, she said
Bit of
there's
a
some
cucumber.
lemongrass in there too. This is the same bread that I had the other night at Chef's Table, and it was really good. Oh, by the way, these drinks are amazing. I'm not sure there's any alcohol in it.
Very
Really good. Okay, appetizers are here. We both got the scallops, and they look freaking amazing. So there's apparently some chorizo sauce in it, so real excited about that. What do you think?
Delicious.
Yeah?
Really, really good.
Main course is here. I got the duck. Claire got
Tenderloin.
the tenderloin. Man, look how pink that is. Is that medium rare?
Medium, actually.
Wow, looks good.
Yeah.
Looks really good.
Yeah.
Happy about this duck. And we're also getting another round of these martinis. Those are
Best martinis ever.
Those are definitely a chugger. Dessert. Look at this. This is a fried cheesecake. Looks awesome. Like Claire's dessert looks pretty cool too.
Yeah. It's called a fruit bar, and it has mango sorbet, so we'll see.
That doesn't look like a fruit bar
I
to
know.
me.
It looks really good.
And that mango sorbet looks awesome.
Yes, it does.
Oh man, done with dinner.
That was so delicious.
Very
Definitely the best meal I've ever had on a Royal Caribbean cruise ship. Well, I say that. Outside of Chef's Table, that's very different.
Yeah.
That was delicious.
Yeah, it was awesome. It was awesome. I think my favorite thing actually was the fried cheesecake though.
And I was expecting for the fruit bar to be my only option, and I wasn't too excited about that. But it tasted nothing like fruit outside of the mango
It didn't
sorbet.
look like a fruit bar
and it was
at all.
delicious, and I would eat it. I would ask for it again and again. It was really enjoyable. But the star of the show was that cocktail. The signature cocktail is delicious.
And of course, service was amazing.
Yes.
Mary Chris was awesome.
Yes.
You say all the right things when I'm hurting. You always pick me up when I am down. It's like you have a spark that leaves me burning. You just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right when I'm around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one.
So we just took some pictures on the promenade with a white background, and it was funny. But I didn't want to take one by myself, and the guy was like, "Well, how about with your camera?" I was like, "Okay, cool, sold." And then at the end, he was like, "Okay, now put the camera down." I was like, "Wait, what the hell?"
It was like luring in a kid with a candy bar.
That was all fun though. See how it turns out. See how it turns out.
I think they're gonna get.
Of course, me.
Of course.
Oh, you were there too.
Well, that concludes our Valentine's Day aboard Harmony of the Seas. We were, of course, in Cozumel today. Experienced the Lucha Libre.
It was crazy.
It was crazy. Had a fantastic dinner at 150 Central Park. I think we both agree. Definitely the best restaurant that we have dined at on
Specialty
the
restaurant. Yeah.
on the Royal Caribbean Fleet. And just enjoy the day.
Yeah, we did some pictures, a couple different spots around the ship just for fun.
Yeah.
So we'll see if we pick any. But tomorrow's sea day. It's our last day.
It's gone by quickly.
And yeah, that'll be it. So we'll see what we do tomorrow. I don't know yet.
Well, we'll see you guys then.
See ya.